In this video, I'd like to talk about 3 commands that are very useful when dealing with files on your operating system. Now, let's say that you have several files listed on your operating system. I have a text file, an image JPEG, and a video. And I would like to do one of a couple of things. I may want to move these files, I may want to rename these files, or I may want to delete these files. These operations can be accomplished at the command prompt using very simple commands. For example, if I would like to move the file.txt command to another directory, I can use the mv command. And the mv command requires 2 pieces of information to do its job. It needs to know what file you want to move, and it needs to know where you would like to move it to. So for example, I would like to move my file.txt to the temp folder. Now when I type move file.txt followed by /tmp/, that tells us to move that file to that folder. So when I press enter, you'll see that the file has been moved. I'm going to create another file.txt, and this time I'm going to move it, but in the process, I'm going to rename the file also. The distinction here is that I'm using the move command to move file.txt to a new folder /temp, but in the process, I'm giving it a new file name. And you can see that it successfully moves the file and puts it under a new file name. I can check this by using the ls command for the /temp directory, and you can see my 2 files. Now, let's talk about how you would rename a file. Let's say we'd like to rename image JPEG. We can do that by using the move command again. In this case, we give it the file name we'd like to move, but instead of giving it a file path to go to, we simply give it a new name. And you can see that the file has now been renamed. So I've shown you how to move a file to a new folder, how to rename the file. Now let's say we'd like to delete the file. We do that by using the remove command, or rm. We follow it with the name of the file we'd like to remove, and then we press enter. You'll notice that the file is now gone. Now, unlike modern operating systems that have graphical user interfaces, we do not have any type of recycle bin or trash can for this file to go into. Once you delete a file, it's been permanently removed from the system and is for the most part unrecoverable. So I've shown you how you can move files from one folder to another using the move command, how you can rename files also using the move command, and how you can remove files from your system using the rm command.